Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys? Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Please let me know, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So, yesterday, due to some internet issues, we were not able to complete our class, right? Due to some internet issues, we were not able to complete our class. How was your day? I'm totally fine. I had a great day, guys. I hope that you guys also had an amazing day right over there. And you guys were able to complete everything that we have done, right? So, yesterday, what we were talking about, guys, could you guys remind me? Yesterday, what we were talking about, could you guys remind me, guys, once? So we'll continue from right over there. The last thing that you guys were able to hear, or something like that. Okay, so it's afternoon here in Nigeria. That's great, guys. Okay. Yeah. The class is going to be of 30 minutes long. It's not going to be a very long class. Okay. Today we are having the first day of the Python and AI bootcamp class as well, right? Today is the first day of the Python and AI bootcamp. That is also there, guys. So we have to make sure that we are able to go there and take up the class that is going to free from the 8:15 itself, right? It's going to be there from 8:15. So no issues with that, guys. Today we'll have an amazing day. Okay. Internship and about DevTown. Okay, so did I let you guys know about the training and internship program at DevTown? Please let me know. Did I told you guys about the training and internship that happens at DevTown itself? So, like I said, guys, so the training basically covers your 3 to 4 months of live training by mentors directly from MNCs, just like me. So, even I take up one of the training programs that is there for one of the batches. So, every batch has a different instructor. I take up a particular topic, like for example, backend is something that I teach to the students. So, every instructor teaches a different topic right over here based on their preferences and their liking itself, because we want you guys to learn from the best, right? That is the reason why. So regarding internship, are there any prerequisites for internship? What is the industrial process for internship? So I think so, Aditya, I have told that yesterday, right? The industrial process is very simple. You have to learn a lot. You have to learn data structures and algorithms. You have to learn computer programming. You have to learn your data science or your full stack or cybersecurity, and then you get internships. What DevTown does it, because of our relationship with the companies and everything, we have made a certain way in which the internship is something that is provided to our kids, like a guarantee itself from the company, because the company wants our kids to join there and work there. I think so. I've yesterday I've not been able to tell you guys the cost of the training and internship program. So the cost of the entire program, which comes up with C++, Java, data structures and algorithms, computer programming, then one domain topic, whether it be data science, full stack, or cybersecurity, will be given to you guys live with lifetime access to every single program, every single class that you are having right over there. Then a 3 months of internship certificate via DevTown, and then a 1 month guaranteed internship with one of our partner companies. So whatever companies that we are having, you guys will be choosing which particular company you want to intern with. We will be organizing that internship for you. So currently we are having these companies that are offering us the 1 month guaranteed internship. So the student basically selects after the training which company he or she wants to intern with. Let's assume for data analyst, you are having Cognizant, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, and British Airways. For full stack web development, We are having companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, AWS, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, HP. And for your cybersecurity and software engineering, you are having MasterCard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC. So for example, if I have completed my full stack training itself, I've done my C++, Java, I've done my data structures and algorithms, I've completed computer programming training in which you will be learning 900 questions that you have to solve. Then you are having the full stack training that I've done. So after that, I can select what company I want to intern with. Let's assume that I want to go into cloud computing. That is my aim. Okay, my aim is to get into cloud computing. So I will most likely select AWS, that is Amazon, where I will be doing my 1 month internship. Let's assume that I'm having my exams right now, so I'll be letting DevTown know that okay, I want to choose Amazon to do my 1 month internship, and I want to start it after 2 months. So we will arrange that entire internship with the company itself. We'll make sure that all the communications and everything go properly. We'll schedule your internship. And then once your internship starts, you will be working directly with the company every single day, 5 days a week, online itself, completely online on your time itself. The company will be sending you tasks. You will have to do the task yourself. We'll be providing you with all the guidance and everything that is necessary from DevTown to make sure that you are doing well in the tasks. Then after the month end itself, you guys will be getting the certificates of the internship via that company itself. So that is how we have planned the entire internship to be there. So that is how we have made sure that everything is happening right over there. So Bro Edit says, I think so from one of our batches itself that he has just started on full stack. So if you want a particular advice or you want like how the classes are going on or something, you guys can ask Bro Edits as well. I think so they will be able to tell you guys about it. The guaranteed internship will be held online or offline, completely online itself. So why C++? The reason behind choosing between C++ and Java is very simple because that increases your chance of getting selected for a company. So the program has been built in such a way that our aim is not to build you guys as the best full stack engineer. Our aim is to get you guys placed. There's a very big difference between the same. Our aim is to get you guys placed. That is the aim of the program. Yes, in full stack, we are teaching you front end, back end, DevOps, cloud. We are making the Zomato clone, the Book My Show clone. It's a big clones right over there. But our aim is to make sure that you are getting placed. That is the aim of the program. Okay. How we can get the letter of recommendation? So during the 3 months of internship that you will be getting a certificate from DevTown itself, you guys will be receiving a letter of recommendation as well, guys. Okay, you will also be receiving the letter of recommendation as well. Okay, is Power BI important for freshers to learn? No. If you are going with data science, we have the data science field itself, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so like I said, guys, the entire program that has been created, which includes the 4 months of training, then the 3 months of internship certificate, letter of recommendation, and offer letter from DevTown, a 1 month internship itself that is with the company of your choosing, and then you are having your placements. Because the instructor is coming live every single day, he has to teach right over there. We have to pay him something, right? We want to keep it for free, of course, but then we will not be able to have any instructors right over there who is devoting 4 months, 3 months of time, daily 2 hours of live classes, then 1 hour of doubt session after the class itself for 6 days a week for 3.5 months continuously. So with that, we have to pay them something, right? With that reason itself, for the entire training, we usually pay one instructor 6,800 rupees per kid for the entire 4 months of training that the instructor is doing. That is the cost that we pay to the instructor itself. And on top of it, whatever organization providing you with the platform, the AWS cost, the cost for creating the internship, creating the placements after the internship. So we not only do the internships, we have the placements after that as well. So after that, for example, if you're doing well in the internship program, in the guaranteed internship, you will directly be able to get placed through that particular company itself. After that, the second particular method of placing our students is through the partner program. So we are having more than 36 companies who have partnered with us that provide us with direct placements as well. Then after that, you are having the referral model. So the instructor provides us the referrals and we give it out to different particular students itself. That is the third particular method of placing our students. And the fourth method is to the job portal itself. That is the entire point. The best part about the program is that you don't need to know anything related to coding or anything related to programming before joining the program. You don't need to know anything about that. Everything from what is programming to what are the languages that you have to learn, from the technologies, data structure algorithms, competitive programming to the projects itself. Everything will be taught to you guys by the mentors in the class live. So you don't have to worry about it. Everything and anything that you guys require, we have already taken up all the attention to fix everything for you guys. That is the reason why we have created the program in such a way that every single month 99.6% of our entire batch gets placed. 99.6% of the entire batch. That is the reason why most of the students are getting their placements right over here. Because not just data structures algorithms, not just competitive programming, not just the training for like creating awesome projects under your belt, and not just the internships. We offer everything to our students itself. Okay, so like I said, guys, the cost of the entire program, for the entire program, not monthly, not annually, nothing. Once you enroll into the program, that is the only cost for everything that is happening, is 7,500 rupees plus taxes. That is the cost of the entire program itself. From your C++, Java to data structure algorithms, competitive programming, domain topic of choice, that is full stack, data science or cybersecurity. Then your 3 months of internship certificate from DevTown, 1 month of internship at the company of your choosing, and then you are having your final placements as well. Everything included right over there. We have created the program that we have created right over here. How many students are not get placed? So usually, let me tell you the numbers. This month we trained 1,200 students. Like the complete training happened, all the internships and everything got over for 1,200 students. We have placed 1,170 students out of that. That 30 students decided to opt out of the program. The reason for that, I don't know, like they did not like the program or something. So those students who complete the program itself, they are the ones who get their placements very easily. Because then your program and then your entire like portfolio is one of the best in the entire country. So could you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested in enrolling for the program, guys? Could you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested in enrolling for the program? Could you guys let me know so that I'm able to have some idea about it? C++ or Java, we provide both to our students itself. Not just, we provide that option right over there. So for those who are interested, guys, it's great that so many of you guys are interested. That's really lovely, guys. But we don't have that many number of seats. Like I said, guys, we need to provide our students with a guaranteed internship, right? So the internship seats are limited. We don't take in all the students right over there. We only take in some particular people right over there itself. So right now we are having just 10 seats that are available. We will not be able to take in any more than 10 students right now. Like I said, there's a reason behind it, because we have, see, the training goes on every single month. We have the training, can enroll into the training at any particular point of time, but the guaranteed internship is in partnership with the companies. So we need to make sure that limited number of students are able to get there, and they are the ones we are focusing a lot more upon, because we need to make sure that they are doing well in their internships. Otherwise, our nose will be cut in front of those companies itself, right? So, will the program include about the deployment process? Yes, Nihal, like I've already said, front end, back end, DevOps, as well as cloud is taught in our classes. And for the project, you make the Zomato clone and the Book My Show clone. The same front end as Zomato, same back end as Zomato, deploying the exact same thing on AWS and orchestrating it with DevOps. The only program in the country, guys, DevTown has the only program in the country that actually teaches all the 4 aspects, including the deployment and everything. The only program in the entire country right now. Okay. See, guys, what is the highest package offered? So the highest package right now is 60 lakhs per annum at Google. And the lowest package that has been offered is 9 lakhs per annum at Infosys. Now, when it compares to data science, then the highest package offered was 48 lakhs per annum at Microsoft. And the lowest package offered was 11 lakhs per annum at Accenture itself. What shall we, so like I said guys, if you guys are what will be the charges? So we have divided the charges into two separate parts. First the pre-registration charge, and the rest is when you want to join the program charge. Okay, so what happens is, because we have limited number of seats, we don't know when we are going to get the next seats for the guaranteed internship. The point is that the last time that we got it was almost 7 months ago. 7 months ago, we got the seats for the guaranteed internship. And right now, for the second time, these companies are providing us with these seats. So due to that reason, we don't know in the future whether the guaranteed seats will be available or not. That is the reason why we take up a pre-registration charge. That if somebody wants to apply, wants to do the entire program, he just has to save his seats for 500 rupees plus taxes. That's it. 500 rupees plus taxes to save your seat itself. And whenever you want to start the program, then you pay the rest of the amount, that is 7,000 rupees plus taxes. So divided these 7,500 rupees into two separate halves. One is 500 rupees plus taxes and the other one is 7,000 rupees plus taxes. So for example, you are enrolling yourself now, but you want to start the program after 2 months. So you can complete your pre-registration, your post-registration before that, and then you can start. Right now, I will only be able to take in only 10 students. The reason I've already told you guys, because I have that number of seats itself, right? Where can we see the LinkedIn profile of those who have been placed? You can just do a Google search. Yesterday in the class, I think so I've shown you guys so many students who have been placed. You can just go on LinkedIn, search their names, they will come up from right over there itself, right? So like I said guys, if you guys want to enroll, so could you guys let me know once again how many of you guys are still interested to enroll for the program, guys? Could you guys let me know just once again how many of you guys are still interested to enroll into the program? Because I will only be able to take in 10 students right now. I will not be able to take in more than that. So I just want to understand how many of you guys are actually interested to take part in the training and internship, guys. Please let me know. The cost of that I've already said, the pre-registration fees is 500 rupees plus taxes. So please let me know once guys how many of you guys are actually interested in the training and internship program. Okay, so I'm able to see data analyst course. So for that we are having the data science program itself. Nehal, we only provide programs in which we are able to make sure that the student is getting the guaranteed internship and placements. So due to that reason, if you are interested in UI UX, I'll still suggest you to take further with full stack. We have a UI UX course right over there inside of the full stack program itself that you can learn a little bit more about UI UX. Because as a full stack developer, you need to know, have some little information about UI UX as well. That is the reason why we have created a particular program in which you will be learning a little bit of UI UX as well in the program. So you don't have to worry about it. So Akash is saying I've already enrolled. That's great, Akash, to hear that. Really amazing. So like I said guys, I'm providing you guys with the registration link. Okay, so if you want to block your seat, okay, as soon as 10 students will be registering, this link will stop working, guys. This link will stop working as soon as the first 10 students actually register, because we will not be able to take in any more students than this, guys. Any more students in the program. You will be having your placements, you will be having your guaranteed internship in the company of your choosing, you will be having your training done via mentors directly from MNCs. So every single mentor that we are having in our company is from a particular MNC itself. The reason for that is we want to make sure that our students are learning from the best instructors possible. We want to make sure that the students are learning from the best people. They are getting mentored via people from Google, Microsoft and Amazon. So yesterday we have shown you guys all our instructors from JP Morgan and Chase, Goldman Sachs, McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, Microsoft. So I've seen all the instructors yesterday as well who are currently teaching, who are currently mentoring the students at DevTown. So for those students who are interested in the program, guys, I have provided you guys with the pre-registration link, so you guys can register yourself right over there. Bro Edits is like very excited. Bro Edits, I'll still suggest you one thing, that all these things are actually already covered in the program itself. You don't have to come up to the like boot camps anymore, Bro Edits. You still have everything inside of your program itself, Bro Edits. Everything, all this to the most advanced levels is already taught right over there. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so you can make sure that you are able to come like focus 100% upon your training program itself. Okay, which industry is the best to get internship in full stack dev? So just go further, learn data structure algorithms, learn CP, learn your entire full stack, that is front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud, and you will easily get an internship anywhere. That's the reason why in the program as well you are able to get a guaranteed internship, right? So when to start coding on code forces? Oh, very good question, Mayank. Up till the point where you have spent at least 5 to 6 months coding on lead code and code chef, and you have a decent ranking, a decent position on both these platforms, do not start with code forces. Usually a good thumb of rule is 900 questions you should be able to solve completely on lead code and code chef before going to code forces. Do not go it right over there itself. Okay, so I want to join DSA course if you start this. Sai Prabhas, in every single program we already cover DSA. We cover C++, Java, data structures, algorithms, as well as competitive programming. Because without that, students can't get placements, right? Without that, it is impossible to get placements. So we already cover it in all our programs. So if you want to register, I've provided you guys with the registration link itself. You guys can completely do that. Okay. That's great. Study new things that you guys have registered, but yeah, GitHub is already done. Yesterday I was not able to tell you guys about it due to the internet issues, so I just thought of letting you guys know right now. Okay, the DSA course is already included in this particular program, Sorvi. Like I've already said, it is already included in the program. Guys, like I said, I don't know how many students have registered, that I will have to check. But we had 10 seats right now. So if somebody is registering right now, please let me know, because once the seats are over, we will not be able to accept any kind of registrations. So could you guys please let me know if you guys have completed your registrations itself? Will there be another slot in the future for full stack? Nehal, I'm not very sure of it. The last time that we got the guaranteed internship program, it was 6 months ago. So my suggestion to you would be to enroll into the program. Do not delay it, because when you delay it, you will definitely not be continuing further with it. That is the reason why. Okay. Will there be a boot camp on data structures and algorithms by any chance? Absolutely, yes. We will be having some boot camps on data structures and algorithms as well. But it is a very vast field. It takes 4 months to complete data structures and algorithms. In 7 days, you will not be able to learn a lot. Boot camps are meant to be an intro, of like a window into the topic. Just like, okay, this is the feel of the topic. Are you able to understand the topic or not? So boot camps are meant to be an introduction to the topic itself, not the complete deep dive, right? Okay. Does the GitHub bootcamp also have Google and Microsoft certificates? Absolutely, yes. How many certificates we get from the internship? So internship certificates will be two, one via DevTown itself and the other via the company that you are going to intern with. Along with that, you will also be given a letter of recommendation and an offer letter as well, because that is a very important thing for you guys that I'm able to understand. Okay, please explain merging and pull request of GitHub. I'm generally stuck on this. So merging, I think so we have already done it, right? Vishal Jaiswal. Merging itself, I think so we have already talked about it in the class, right? Vedic Verma, if you don't know the Google certificate, where is it and why you have not received it? I think so you have not attended my class. Could you please go and watch that class once again? The last day, 9th day of the class itself. So guys, I'm just letting you guys know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 students have already registered. The names of these students are Okay, I'm very sorry if I'm butchering some names, guys, but I'm just able to see the email IDs. So Milan Shiva Lingappa. Okay, that's the first student. Then you are having Dikshita. That is the second student. Sundeep Prabha Pragyada. That's the third student. And Alan. Okay, I'm very sorry if I'm like butchering your names, guys. I don't intend to do it. I'm just very bad with reading names. So Ellen Shijo, shit, I'm very sorry. So these are the 4 students who have already registered. We just have 6 more seats, guys. So we'll only be able to take in 6 more students. Guys, take this up as one of the most important, like a chance right over there. Okay, most important chance right over there itself, guys. The reason for that is getting a direct internship with a company like Amazon, JP Morgan and Chase is a very big deal. It's a very big deal. Cisco, JP Morgan and Chase, Amazon, Accenture. Most of these companies do not even come to most of the colleges in India. Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Walmart, Amazon, HP. Most of these companies don't even come to various different colleges in India. So do not miss out in this particular aspect, guys. That will be my suggestion. And along with that, you are actually preparing yourself for everything that you actually need for your placements, whether it be C++, Java, data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, taught by Google, Microsoft mentors itself. The person teaching you competitive programming is the world top 100 right over there, and so on and so forth. So my suggestion to you guys will be, do not miss out on this opportunity. Those who are interested in the program, I've already provided you guys with the registration link in the live chat. Is this available for international students? Yes, it is available for international students as well. But for international students, you will have to message us on this particular WhatsApp number. So if there is an international student out there, if they want to register for the program, they will have to reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number itself. Somebody from the DevTown team will be helping you guys out. So if there is an international student from any place, we get students from Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, US, UK, Pakistan, Indonesia, Japan, a lot of different places. I've seen so many students in my classes from various different places in the country as well as outside the country. I'm very, very, very keen of seeing you guys in the class. So like I said, guys, if you are interested in the program and if you guys want to register for the same, right now we are having some 6 seats that are available. Okay. So you guys can register from right over here. So how many students per batch? So usually we have somewhere around 40 to 50 students in one batch. The reason for that is we want to make sure that every student is given individual attention. So when you are learning with us, you are having just 40 to 50 students in one batch. And the mentor is providing you with individual attention, coming live to the classes on Zoom classes, all the classes goes on. So you are able to directly interact with the mentor in the 101 doubt support. You are having everything that you are able to reach out to the mentor 101 and ask your doubts individually as well. And you can get mentorship from the mentor. So that is the reason why the mentorship part is very important, that you guys stay on track itself. So like I said, guys, if you are interested in the training and internship program, I have provided you guys with the registration link as well as the WhatsApp link itself, guys. Do register for the same, guys. It will be great right over here to see you guys inside of the program. Now coming back to the main question, that is, what about our certificates? Okay, what about attendance for this particular class, right? Many of you guys are having that question right now. I'm able to see that, right, guys? Please let me know. You guys are having that question right now, right? What about the attendance and everything? So, okay, guys, so listen to me very carefully. After today's class is the last class for our GitHub bootcamp. Okay, today is the last class of our GitHub bootcamp, guys. So after this particular class, in the next 2 to 3 days, based upon your attendance, guys, you guys will be receiving the Microsoft and the DevTown certificate. Okay, based upon your attendance. Please listen to me very carefully. Do not complain at a later point of time that, sir, I was not able to hear. Okay, listen to me very carefully. So in 2 to 3 days, on the email ID that you guys have been using for your attendance, you will be receiving the DevTown and the Microsoft certificate directly on your email IDs itself. Okay, that is linked to your attendance. Whatever attendance that you guys filled, according to how much percentage that you guys are having, you guys will be able to get it from right over there. Now the same thing, because this bootcamp does not has any project. Okay, because this is a very, GitHub is not something that can develop a project upon, right? So the internship for this program is online or offline? Completely online, because we get students from all across the world. So it is completely online itself. So like I said, guys, so because there is no project, a task will be allotted to you guys. Okay, a small task will be allotted to you guys. So a particular person from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys, will be giving you that task, whatever is related to the bootcamp itself. And if you are able to complete that task, then if, for example, today I'm completing that task, somebody reached out to me today, I completed that task itself. So by tonight, I will be receiving the Google certificate for the bootcamp as well. So the Google, because there's no, usually we link the Google certificate with the project, but this bootcamp does not have any project inside of it. So what we have done is we have linked it to the task itself. that you complete the task, you will receive the project. So it will be a small task for you guys to do. There's no big deal itself right over there. So somebody from DevTown will be either calling you or will be sending you a WhatsApp message with the task list right over there, guys. So they will be contacting you via your phone or your WhatsApp. So just keep an eye out of it. Okay. Vishal, somebody will be connecting you because there are so many students, right? It will take us some time to connect to you guys. Okay, so think about it as a week, guys. Give us a week. We'll contact each and every one of you. And then after that, guys, after the task has been completed, if you guys want the Amazon certificate, that is just for you guys. Okay, if you want the Amazon certificate, so after the class itself, you just have to let them know that okay, I also want the Amazon certificate as well. So they will send you both the Google as well as the Amazon certificate as soon as you have done the task. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know, guys. So what's the task, Aditya? That the person like reaching out from DevTown will be letting you know. Okay. Okay, guys, amazing. So let's take up the attendance for today, right, guys? Again, guys, just to let you guys know, the registration right now, we are having some 6 seats that are remaining. If you guys are interested for the training and internship program, you guys can complete your registration for the same. To whom should I ask the Amazon certificate? You don't have to ask anybody. Your Amazon certificate will be sent to you directly along with the Google certificate itself. Okay, along with the Google certificate. What time will get for completing the task? So that will depend upon the task itself. So there will be multiple tasks for multiple people. So you will only be given one task. Okay, everybody is not going to get different tasks itself. Everybody will get just one task. But that one task can be of 5 minutes as well. One task can be of 30 minutes as well. Not more than that. The task will be very small. So the total cost of the program. So boot camps are for free. You don't have to worry about it. The training programs, the cost is 7,500 plus taxes. Is there any time limit? No, there is no time limit. So like I said, guys, whoever wants to register for the program, I've already given you guys the registration link, as well as now I will be giving you guys the attendance link as well. Please make sure you are filling up your attendance carefully today. Okay, because whatever name that you fill up in your attendance, whatever email ID that you fill up on your attendance, that is going to get you guys the certificates as well. So make sure that you are filling it up properly, guys. Do not make any blunders inside of it. I don't want to hear, sir, my name in the attendance, my name in the certificate is wrong. Dude, we are not taking somebody else's name. Whatever name that you are using in your attendance, that is the name that we are utilizing as well, right? So make sure when you are filling the form, fill it up as properly as possible, guys. Okay, please make sure, guys, that you are filling it up as properly as possible. Will that be fine with everybody, guys? Please let me know. Will you be filling up everything properly, guys? Please let me know. Just a second, guys. I know that I have dismembered this. Just a second. I'm so sorry. Okay, guys, let me switch this on. Okay, and let me share the attendance link with you guys. So guys, in today's attendance link, you are having this question right over here, right? For the training and internship program, the 1-month training and internship program. If and only if you are interested, just mark which particular program are you interested in. Otherwise, if you're not interested in the program, just mark no, I don't want to get the 1-month guaranteed internship. So that if some seats are remaining, like I said, right now 6 seats are there. I don't know, I will have to check if these seats are there or not. So if the seats are there and we are able to offer it to you, then somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you and helping you guys out with your registration. If you just mark no, there's no issues. You will still get your certificates, guys. It is not related to the bootcamp. You will still get your certificates. You will get everything. Okay, this is just for those students who help them out, who are facing some problems, who have some queries or something like that. It is just for them. So if you're not interested, just mark not interested. Even we don't want to waste your time right over there, right? Time is very important. Provide it for your studies. Studies are the most important thing. The more that you learn, the more focused that you are, the better package that you will be receiving at the end of the day. You have that control in your hands. Okay, nobody else. So I'll be sending you guys the attendance link right now. I've already shared the registration link and the WhatsApp link with you guys. Right, so if you guys want to register for the program, definitely do that. And right over here, guys, I've provided you guys with the attendance link as well. So you guys can complete your you can complete your attendance right over there as well. Okay, so please, guys, make sure that you are able to complete your attendance, guys. Do not forget to fill the attendance link up. And if you guys face any kind of problems, you guys can always reach out to me on LinkedIn. Today at 8:15 we'll be having our boot camp on AI and Python. So if you guys want to do that, so Jani, that's great to see that you have already registered yourself. Okay, so right now, okay, how many students have registered? Let me let you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students have already registered, guys. So 3 more seats are only available with us, guys, right now. Okay, we are just having 3 more seats, guys. Please make sure that you guys are able to complete your registration if you want to join the training and internship program. It was great meeting you guys. I hope that you guys also had an amazing time. So we'll meet ourselves. We have to pay. Okay, so we'll be meeting you guys after in the next boot camp or maybe something like that. Okay, say the cost of the entire program is 7,500 rupees plus GST. What we have divided is it is 500 rupees plus GST for pre-registration to book your seat. And whenever you want to start the training, you guys can pay the rest of the amount itself. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was great meeting you guys. I hope to see you guys in the next boot camp as well. Thank you so much, guys. And always keep on learning, keep on growing, guys. That is your age, that is your aim. Keep on going, keep on developing yourself. Regarding the Hotstar bootcamp, are there any requirements other than registration and joining the WhatsApp group to get the certificates? Bishop, maybe some task will be allotted to you. Just complete that task itself, right? Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet at 8:15 for the next particular bootcamp, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day ahead. Love you, guys. Love you. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.